Okay, welcome back to Austin's Fishing. Today we'll be fishing Alice Lake. I'm sorry I don't have a mic, so it might be a little quiet. Fishing with my buddy TJ. We'll just call him Stick Guy and enjoy the video. So today we're gonna be using orange Mepps number 2 Panther Martin.
You know, I'm gonna pop the.
Focus.
Pop the. Yeah, Sam, I got a lot of bites, bro.
Yeah, this guy's getting.
I got a lot of bites. Yo, catch that fish.
Hold there.
Got it? Fish on. No! Did he eat your line?
Oh, yo, he came off.
Oh my gosh. Huh? What happened?
Yeah, I'm just gonna cut this, man. Why? Okay, we missed one fish. Two fish actually. It's not looking good here, but they're biting at least. So we're at the dock here. I'm fishing like right under this tree right here, and I got one. It was really small, but I forgot to get recording because I put away the camera because there's a lot of people on the dock.
I ain't got shit.
Yeah, this guy's still catching trees. Okay, so we moved spots, but we're moving spots to back to the old spot because the dock we had one fish that I could not get in video, and then we missed a couple and got a couple bites, but it wasn't great. Let's just say that. I don't know. The fish aren't really biting this time of year, but there's a lot of rises out here. But if you have a paddle or a canoe, it would be great for you. And now we're just at this little spot on the corner. There with him.
I can't set out.
Going?
I got one! I got one! Yo, finally!
No, something.
Oh my! I caught it. You got on hook it. You got on hook it.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Okay, but you need to do this. No!
Wait, let him breathe.
No way. No. Oh my god. Yo, bring in the foot in the water, bro. Okay, move it back and forth. Yeah.
What?
Fish back and forth. Put it in the water. And hold like this.
Oh, no way. I finally caught one.
Oh my gosh. No. Lucky you're not getting pushed in the water today.
Oh my god. No, that's crazy.
Where was it?
Oh, it was like over there.
Oh, okay.
I just cast it out and he caught it. No way.
Oh, nice job. Just got one. Smallest trout I've caught in my life. You see colors though, it's really small. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, thank you for watching. We caught a total of like 5 fish. We missed a bunch on recording, but if you want to catch more fish, I would come to this honey hole. Here's it. Yeah, this one right here. It's a little hard to get to, but just go in shorts. You walk in right there and you cast out here. Make sure you use really small lures. I mean, maybe like size 2 to 3 for Mepps, just anything small. But thank you for watching.
That's awesome. Second. Dude, both recording, bro. Oh.
Keeps on coming back to me. My heart is hung up on what used to be. Time